Hello everyone. In the episode of Reviews Pro today, we are talking about top 5 best multi-position ladders in this year. And if you want to see the price and find out more information about this multi-position ladders, you can check out the links down in the description. Also click subscribe at the button to stay up to date with the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Finether 15.4 feet extension ladder. It is an extendable multi-purpose ladder, and you can use it as a simple A-frame ladder as well as a straight ladder. It is foldable and therefore, it takes minimal space for storage. There are safety locking hinges available along with 2 panels. Besides, the product has a certification from European safety standard EN 131. The ladder has rust-proof aluminum alloy construction, and it is an extra thick material. The weight of the ladder is around 30 pounds, which is pretty standard. You can also use it as a stair ladder, work platform, trestle, double side ladder and much more. The folding is also very easy, and you can carry it with convenience. The maximum load capacity is 330 pounds, and the full extended length is 15.4 feet. You can reach out to tough places avoiding obstacles with this multi-purpose ladder. At number 4, we have Cosco 13 multi-position ladder. This is a 13-foot multi-purpose ladder, and it is one of the strongest on the list. You can use this ladder in 5 different ways. It can be a step ladder, extension ladder, wall ladder, stairway ladder as well as a scaffold. Cosco is a popular brand, and this ladder has commercial-grade construction. The material is aircraft-grade aluminum, and it comes with slip-resistant rungs as well as feet. Moreover, the patented hinge design, as well as the spring-locking levers, make it fully secure. There are other sizes also available from which you can choose. Furthermore, it is easy to convert into the desired position with the need for any tool. It also folds flat for easy storage. The maximum weight capacity is 300 pounds, and there are 6 different height adjustments possible. At number 3, we have Luisladders folding ladder. This is one of the best multi-position ladders on the list as it can be used in 7 different ways. The ladder has an aluminum construction which makes it light in weight and therefore, you can carry it easily. You can use it as a scaffold, leaning ladder, step ladder, and change into different shapes and sizes as per the job requirements. Moreover, it folds to 40.5 x 11 x 23.5 inches for easy storage. The aluminum is of heavy duty with aircraft grade. Furthermore, there are square rungs and supporting tubes available. It is extremely stable even when folded, and it has META EN 131 standards. The maximum load capacity is 330 pounds. Most importantly, it comes with a click and lock system, and there are as many as 6 security locks available. Therefore, it is safe to say that it is the safest ladder available on the list. Besides, it has an anti-slip design with rubber foot straps, and the chance of slipping is not there. At number 2, we have lightweight multi-purpose 12 aluminum ladder. This multi-position ladder has the construction of the solid aluminum material. The ladder has the height of 12 feet and width of 24 inch. It expands to 20 feet in the unfolded condition. The ladder weighs only 25 pounds and can take the maximum load of 300 pounds with ease. You need to also attach the extensions with a screw and bolts all by yourself. At each end of the ladder, there is also a stabilizer bar to keep you safe while standing on the ladder. Moreover, the folding system of the ladder consumes lesser storage space. You can use this ladder as a stairway step ladder. In the shape, you can have the top step of maximum 6 to 8 inch. In the shape, the ladder has the height of 12 feet. You can use this ladder for any kind of outdoor purposes. Furthermore, the ladder is sturdy and requires no maintenance. And finally at number 1, we have TOPRUNG model 26 feet aluminum extension multi-purpose ladder. With the ANSI standard certification, this ladder has the highest loading capacity of 300 pounds. This ladder is 26 feet tall. Constructed with the aircraft-graded strong and primary aluminum material, the ladder provides durability in rough use. Moreover, You can get 5 different sizes and positions to work with this single ladder. The robust hinge joints also make this ladder a strong and steady product. Additionally, you have to keep the hinges away from the dirt and salt spray to extend the lifespan of the ladder. Furthermore, the ladder comes with the height adjustments in 1 foot increment. The ladder has the extended height in between 13 to 23 feet. With the A-frame shape of the ladder, you can have the height range of 6 to 11 feet. The height of the scaffolding ladder is 5 feet. The width of the foot space of this ladder is 1 foot. This ladder weighs only 52 pounds. For convenient storage, the ladder also comes with a 6.6 feet folding length. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. And if you have any questions related to this multi-position ladders, you can leave a comment down below. I will hit you up as soon as I can.